So how can you use the quick actions on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this in the future. So you open up the Watch app on the paired iPhone where you can manage all of the things related to this, and you can find the accessibility feature. And part of this, you have some more things which you can kind of like play with, but what you need to pay attention to are the quick actions. It is part of the motor section, so you're gonna get there and you have some options to select between. So at first we have the ability to decide if it's turned on or off, or you can also choose the option which is saying that when assistive touch is enabled, then also the quick actions are turned on, right? So that's how you can enable this. And also you get the appearance, which is either full or minimal, right? But what are actually those quick actions? Well, you can control the Apple Watch with a couple of different gestures, right? So when you are using the Apple Watch Series 4 and later, these are the devices which support it. And on those, as long as you have everything turned on, you're gonna have the ability to use a gesture-based control, usually including double pinching your index finger and thumb. And this is gonna allow you to interact with some different apps and notifications without actually touching the screen. So as you can see, it is an accessibility feature. So it is something that not everyone is like supposed to use or whatever, but that's something that you can definitely have access to. So that's how you can manage it, and that's how you can set that up. And yeah, I really hope that I was able to show you how it kind of works. It heavily depends on which app you are going to use it with, or I mean, at least give it a try. For example, if I should give you an example there, if your timer goes off, you can dismiss it with a quick action, and this is the default when you tap your pointer and a thumb together twice. So you perform this and you can dismiss the timer, right? So there are multiple different things, and you can kind of like give it a try whenever you have some situation in front of you and see if that kind of gesture works for that. But I just wanted to explain it generally, so let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.